hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
So guys, after seeing the thumbnail, you will आपको पता लग ही गया होगा कि
sorry.
इतने तो बोल सकते हैं.
No. So guys, today's challenge is related to English. We have to speak English for 24 hours.
For 24 hours. Only 24 hours.
Yes.
Yeah, only 24 hours.
Only just 24 hours.
You think 24 hours just only?
24 seconds is equal to 24
So guys,
hours.
after not wasting the time, first
So
I'll
let's go.
tell the challenge to you. We are doing try not to speak
Hindi
for
Challenge.
24 hours.
So let's go.
So bye guys.
Bye.
So guys, we are on a roof
See? And
and
I have to tell you something, that there is one rule in the game, or sorry, challenge, that the one who will speak a Hindi word will slap.
will slap on his face or her face.
Yes.
Tightly slap.
Like
Guys, you know my English is very intelligent.
English is intelligent. He is not
I am very
intelligent.
good in English speaking.
Yes, this is the sentence. Where is
guys-
Lakshit bro? Call him. Bro,
Seeing kites, colorful kites.
he is busy in seeing kites. He likes kites. As you can see, he is there.
No!
Bro,
No!
come here.
Look that kite. वो देखो पतंग.
You can't do that. Slap yourself. Tightly.
बताऊँ तुझे tightly मारा है ना.
People
Once more time.
do not have sons how to cut kites. And
How
I
to
know
fly kites.
how to cut
You have
kites.
tell the rule.
Okay.
You have told the rule to them.
Yeah.
They don't know how to cut kite and they don't have any sense to cut kite
You
So guys,
only
like
have
this, we are enjoying in our roof.
on our roof.
on a roof.
Watch out.
You are very pro player in English speaking. I think so.
As
And
we
you
can
are very noob.
You are very noob. I don't think so.
I don't think so. So guys,
let's
bye.
go.
Bye. So guys, let me show you something. See, these guys are playing PUBG and
Hello,
talking
guys.
and talking in English. See,
Hello guys.
hello guys. So guys, let me show you their games also. So guys, as you can see, this is Lakshit bro's gameplay.
Bro, I am 3-finger player, you know.
See,
Oh my god.
see, he is
Oh my God.
literally very talented.
I am.
He's
noob.
noob player. See my gameplay.
See, this is Rudra bro's gameplay.
Let me kill a enemy. Wait. Enemy.
So guys, this is the next morning, and as you know, we are doing challenge.
So hello guys.
So guys, we are getting bored
And
for
your
your entertainment and for our entertainment. We are going to play a game. Name?
Damshalats!
I think you know about that game.
Yes.
I think you are also pro player in game.
Why are you speaking pro?
Legend.
Layer.
So guys, after not wasting time, we'll start. We start from this guy.
Okay, I'll tell you.
He will give me a movie and her also.
देखो guys.
We have stolen a kite.
जा वही उड़ा ले.
You can't say that!
No.
Just slap
No.
yourself! Slap yourself.
Slap in the hole.
Oh,
What is this?
What?
I have tightly slapped.
No.
You have to
Slap
slap
properly.
once
This is not
more.
that.
I'm not playing now.
Oh,
So guys, from now onwards, I am explaining them in very good manner. So let's go. And in very good English.
Okay.
So start.
Start. English. 3 words.
3 idiots. I am so intelligent. You know.
3 idiots like us 3 idiots. Like we are 3 idiots.
I am not.
You are an idiot of idiot.
I understand what you are saying. I probably understand.
So, whose turn is next?
Rock, paper, scissors.
No.
I don't know anymore. Okay, let's see.
We'll shoot tomorrow, okay? Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, tata, goodbye, bye. खत्म हो
I
गया, हो
told
गया, हो
you.
गया.
I don't know any movie now.
First slap yourself. You said हो गया.
They are seeing me.
We are shooting on roof.
So guys, now it's
My
her
turn.
turn.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I'm zipping my mouth now. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Speak fast. Hindi.
Hindi.
Yeah.
3.
Three.
Hindi 3.
3 words.
Hindi 3.
Hindi 3.
Nothing.
Why are you speaking?
Sorry.
3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3,
No.
go!
No.
1.
Finger.
First word.
Hmm.
3. तीसरा word. Third.
Oh!
Brother.
30 beat Khan. We have to speak in English. 30 beat Khan.
Hello, brother. Brothers. Third word, brothers. First word, brothers. Third word.
What is this? You are playing these chopsticks. Okay, lost. I think she don't know how to explain.
3 brothers.
3 थे भाई.
Yes, but slap yourself.
Okay, now guys, now it's my turn.
Last.
Why are you feeling so excited? So guys,
Now it's your turn.
my turn. So let's do. My movie is this.
English.
No. This.
Hindi.
And for this.
One
One
word.
word.
Yes. The movie is
What are you doing?
Dangal.
no.
Dangal.
What do you mean by dangal?
Dangal.
Dangal. Slap.
It's English movie.
No.
No.
No, it's movie
No.
name in
Listen.
Hindi.
You know.
Written in English.
I hope you will understand by this. Hold that like this and. Oh my God.
Are you doing wrestling?
Sultan.
Yes.
Sultan Ali.
Yes, he's right, man.
What is this Ali Khan?
Name.
Yeah. It's just Sultan.
It's
So, guys-
Sultan Ali Khan. Haryana ki.
You said ki. Now slap yourself.
So guys, why? I hope you enjoy our entertainment. So welcome back, guys.
So guys, we are going at shop to buy milk.
So guys, as you know, we are doing what? I know to speak.
Speak Hindi for 24 hours.
So we have to speak in English with the shopkeeper. So guys, enjoy.
So guys, we are at milk shop.
Milk shop.
Variety shop.
Uncle, do you have milk?
क्या चाहिए बच्चे?
Uncle, do you have milk?
मिल्क दूध चाहिए?
हाँ.
हाँ मिल जाएगा.
दे दो फिर.
चलिए. बच्चों मैंने तुम्हें दूध तो दे दिया है.
हाँ जी.
अरे यार तुम तो वही बच्चे हो ना जो ब्लॉग बनाते हो.
हाँ जी अंकल.
अरे वाह.
हाँ जी बोला हाँ जी.
हाँ जी.
किसी नए
Yes,
ब्लॉग-
yes, yes.
किसी नए ब्लॉग की शूटिंग कर रहे हो क्या?
Yes.
Yes.
भाई वाह. वेरी गुड.
अंकल गुड बाय.
वाह गाइस, ये तो हमें जानने वाले निकले.
स्लैप तो करो. You are speak Hindi. So guys,
this
finally
1 minute left.
1 minute only. I hope you are seeing.
1 minute.
For 24 hours challenge complete.
4:59.
Come on.
We started at 5 o'clock.
tomorrow.
Come on.
Yesterday.
Come on.
Sweet is dancing.
Only 1 minute left. Speak your English and English.
Only English I can speak.
I speak English. I speak
Okay, hello,
ABCD,
my name is
and
Kritika.
my
Hello,
name is
my name is
Lakshit Jain,
Kritika.
and I'm your biggest
No,
fan,
Lakshmi
and you are my
Relax, why
biggest
that
fan.
only
And
English?
please like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.
Please.
Time is
How
not
many
passing.
time? And guys, which scene do you like? Comment in the
Comment box. We stand together.
Show them. Oh, how many time it will
Now it
take?
is not done.
See.
Okay, let's count 10. 10.
हो गया.
Okay, we completed
So
time.
guys, bye.
No, bye.
Oh, sorry.
We just completed our second
Okay.
24-hour challenge.
So
Congrats. Congrats.
Let's
guys, thanks for
end the video.
Congrats.
Let's end the video properly.
Okay.
So guys,
So guys, thanks for watching our video. Hope you all enjoyed it.
yes, no.
Please like, comment, share, and
Their
subscribe
choice.
the channel
Please.
and press the bell icon for the list of updates. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.